Alright, here is my two UDL reflections. For some reason I could not get the PowerPoint to go upload into slides, so you're just going to have to see it here. These are the memes, which I had a blast with, to be honest. I love it when teachers make memes a part of their classroom. You're like the third one I've had do it. And it is a lot of fun for, I think, everyone involved. So why is this on the screen? Okay. So this is obviously the infamous Drake meme. I think if you've been alive in the past 10 years, you've seen this meme in your lifetime. So this is also another common meme where, you know, I don't know what it's actually called, but it's the guy looking back, ignoring his girlfriend for another woman. And then these also are good checks for your knowledge too, so I thought it was kind of an interesting way to do that. And then the rock one, you know, speaks for itself. I love memes, so I had a lot of fun making them. And then this one right here, another common meme. So move on to the next one. Was my POW tune, and yeah, I'll just play that. I just wanted to point out you can hear my kid yelling in the background and stuff. It's cute. Another side note with Powtoon, it is hard to get the audio to sync up with your slides. Just something to keep in mind if you're having students use it in the future. Like right there, big pause. That I definitely should have edited out. And that is the UDLs. Thank you.